Talk about glow up. The Pixel 9 and the 9 Pro XL are here and Google का जो best है, it's getting the biggest upgrade in years. Google को 8 साल लगे to get to this point, but is it the phone to take on the iPhone 16? Well, here's my Pixel 9 review in 5 points, but उससे पहले subscribe to my channel and of course follow me on Instagram. मैं आपको ब्लेम नहीं करूँगी अगर आप मिस्टेक करते हैं Pixel 9 को for an iPhone when looking from the front. On the sides, from the flat back to the flat front and the matte flat sides and glossy back, there's an inspiration all around. But ये बुरी बात नहीं है क्योंकि the Pixel 9 feels premium and it's worth the very heavy price point. कैमरा सेक्शन को मिलता है एक बिग अपग्रेड, so instead of the wrap around module अब आपको मिलेगा एक floating camera island. ये काफ़ी अच्छा है बट मुझे पुराना वाला ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता था. आई मिस दैट. और भी चेंजेस हैं इसके अंदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इसकी जो स्क्रीन है वो थोड़ी बढ़ गई है फ्रॉम द लास्ट ईयर एंड द बेजल्स आर स्लाइटली स्मॉलर, तो इट्स मेकिंग बेजल्स एंड द ओवरऑल लुक ऑफ द फोन वेरी प्रीमियम. इसकी जो स्क्रीन है इट्स ब्राइटर एंड शार्पर, गोरिल्ला ग्लास विक्टस 2 ऑल अराउंड and choice of absolutely stunning colors. मेरे पास white आया but the rose pink and the pistachio green are my favorites. But अगर आपको Google चार्ज करा है 80,000 रुपए for a phone, तो good design is not enough, right? It doesn't cut it. The hardware needs to match up. तो अब बात करते हैं हार्डवेयर की and this is where things get a little tricky. इस फोन के अंदर आपको मिलता है न्यू Tensor G4 प्रोसेसर, 256 GB ऑफ स्टोरेज एंड इसके अंदर है 12 GB ऑफ रैम. ये साउंड करता है ग्रेट ऑन पेपर बट द डेविल लाइज इन द डिटेल्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेंसर G4 प्रोसेसर कैन नेवर कीप अप with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in raw power. And जो next generation है Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 वो almost आ चुकी है and that's a big issue. Moreover, unlike the Pixel 9 Pro models, Google ने इसके अंदर larger vapor chamber नहीं दिया है. इसका मतलब है कि phone starts to throttle with 20 minutes of high-end gaming. Similarly, जो flagships हैं offer ultra fast UFS 4.0 storage. Google ने opt किया है for older UFS 3.1 standard here. इसके अंदर 12 GB of RAM है but not all that is usable. इसका मतलब है long term usability, especially with Google's claims of 7 years of updates, वो सफ़र कर सकती है. तो ये फोन doesn't sound like a very good deal, right? Well, इसका आंसर है that it isn't. Not अगर spec sheet आपका criteria for buying a phone, but what you get with the Pixel 9 is an experience. And that experience is all about AI. मेरे हिसाब से Pixel 9 को बिल्डअप किया गया है एज अ ग्राउंड अप टूल ताकि Google Gemini AI सबके हाथ में पहुंच जाए. From assistant to the photo experience to Pixel Studio, even screenshots, Gemini is a part of the entire usage experience. For example, इस कैमरा ऐप में एक फीचर है called Add Me, which lets you add yourself to a photograph अगर आप उसमें है भी नहीं. So it works something like this. आप एक फोटोग्राफ लेते हैं पहले and then follow the guidelines that superimpose the other shot. Now take the second image with you in it and watch the pixel work its magic. And you know what? Most times it works brilliantly. It does need a little more light क्योंकि ये बहुत डार्क जगह पे काम नहीं करेगा. Magic Editor has also got an upgrade, so ये refine करेगा आपका, reframe करेगा photos, change the background और add to it. इसके अंदर एक और चीज़ है वो है Pixel Studio that lets you generate images, AI images, a reverse shots app that can search through your screen, find phone numbers, addresses and even website links. ये जो है I think is the biggest upgrade to screenshots ever. And ये सारी features are even before we get to the upgrades to existing features जैसे कि voice recorder that can transcribe your recordings, ये summarize भी कर देगा आपकी emails या फिर write करेगा new emails, a better AI assistant note apps भी है इसके अंदर and बहुत कुछ है. It's AI all the way. चलो अगर हम Pixel buy करते हैं तो it's obvious कि हमें cameras बहुत पसंद है, right? So what's new? Primary camera is exactly the same as last year, which is again not a bad thing. ये capture कर सकता है extremely well detailed images with next to no noise. Google की जो ability है to capture wide range dynamic remains unchallenged and इसका बिल्कुल trouble नहीं होता bringing out details from darker areas while taming highlights. That said, आपको दिखेगा कि Pixel is always bent towards blue tones, right? Might not be everyone's taste. Moreover, इसका जो HDR है doesn't always feel the most natural, especially जब आप शूट करें extremely dynamic lighting में. इस साल Google ने upgrade किया है ultra wide camera to 48 megapixel and the upgraded sensor ये help करता है to take out more details with pixel binning to play. Noise level भी बहुत reduce हो चुके हैं. ये सब मैं इसलिए बता रही हूँ क्योंकि जो कैमरा एक्सपीरियंस है इट रिमेन्स द बेस्ट इन क्लास. बट जो गैप है बिटवीन पिक्सल एंड द कॉम्पिटिशन इट कीप्स गेटिंग स्मॉलर बाय द ईयर. एडिशनली पिक्सल 9 के अंदर बहुत सारी एडिशनल AI फीचर्स नहीं आ रही हैं जो कि 9 Pro मॉडल्स में आ रही हैं, लाइक वीडियो बूस्ट जो कि गूगल्स न्यू कूल फीचर है जो इंप्रूव कर सकता है वीडियो शॉट एट नाइट और व्हेन zoomed in dramatically. It's not available on this phone. Similarly, zoom enhance feature भी इसके अंदर से मिसिंग है. It's an odd choice given that phone could have seriously benefited given the lack of no telephoto lens. What happened Google right here? तो चलिए अब बात करते हैं कि क्या Pixel 9 आपके पैसों के वर्थ है. To answer that question, आपको सोचना पड़ेगा कि आपको कैसा स्मार्टफोन चाहिए. You know, the phone is not for gamers and also for those who are looking for the absolute best camera experience. Wait for my Pixel 9 Pro XL review to find out more on that. जो Pixel 9 है, it's for users who want a great everyday experience, cutting-edge AI and good battery life, all of which are offered by competing smartphones like iPhone 15, upcoming iPhone 16, flagships like OnePlus 12, and perhaps अगर आपको एक phone चाहिए that has all the latest and greatest AI features, well, Samsung की Galaxy S24 series भी बहुत कुछ offer करती है, as well as dedicated telephoto camera lens for lesser money. All of which is to say कि Pixel 9 बहुत अच्छा Pixel phone है, but इस current price point में which is 80,000 rupees, मुझे नहीं लगता कोई sense है for most users, especially अगर आप consider करते हैं the fact that many of the AI features that stand out are not even available on this phone. So in Rubina's opinion, you should wait for the inevitable price drop to get yourself an excellent deal on this, or better just grab last year's Pixel 8 Pro at a discount, because you are going to slap on a case anyway on the phone, right? So subscribe to my channel for honest reviews. Of course, it helps our channel grow, and of course, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is right here.